Hello, welcome. Let's look at this JAMB past question for physics 2018. Question number 2. The density of 400 cm cube of palm oil was 0.9 gram per cm cubed before frying. If the density of the oil was 0.6 gram per cm cubed after frying, assuming no loss of oil due to spilling, its new volume was A. 360 cm cubed, B. 600 cm cubed, C. 240 cm cubed, D. 800 cm cubed. So how do we go about solving this? Now, for us to solve this, we need to know the formula for density. So density is simply the ratio of mass all over volume. That is what density is. Now, we were told that there is no change in the mass. There is no loss of oil due to spillage. That means the mass remains constant. So for the first case, we have D1, which is the density here, to be equal to M1, which is the mass, all over V1, which is the volume. For the second case, we have D2, which is this density here, equal to M1, M2, which is also equal to M1, then V2, which is what you are calculating. But now from this, if we make M1 the subject of the formula, you have M1 to be equal to D1 times V1. Whereas from here, if you make M2 the subject, you have M2 equal to D2 times V2. But they say there is no loss of oil. This simply implies that M1 is equal to M2. So if M1 is equal to M2, that means that D1 V1 is equal to D2 V2. Now you know what D1 is, you know what V1 is, you know what D2 is, but you don't know what V2 is. So make V2 the subject. So we have V2 is equal to D1 V1 all over D2. So this is equal to D1 is what? We know that D1 is 0.9 times, what is V1? V1 is 400 all over, what is D2? D2 is 0.6. So if you press your calculator, or if you multiply 0.9 times 400 all over 0.6, then you should be able to get the right answer. And the right answer is 600 cm cubed. So that makes B the right option, 600 cm cubed. So notice we started from the formula for density. We made M the subject of the formula because they say there is no loss in mass. That means the two M has to be equal. So we equated them, and the equation of this and this simply means that this is equal to this. So we equated them here and made V2 that we are looking for the subject, and we get 600. That is how you go about solving equations as this. Thank you.